Hi, I'm Jack Andreka with The Scoop, and we're here with Dr. Feldman, who is an expert in autoimmune disorders. Now then, why do they call autoimmune diseases the lonely disease?
Well, I actually coined the term, the lonely voices of autoimmune disease, when I was doing research on big data and interviewing over 200 companies. And what I found is there were companies working in rare disease and cancer, but no one was looking at autoimmune disease. And so I started to reach out to the community, got a lot of response, and I figured out they were very lonely.
Awesome. Now, I heard there are a lot of roadblocks that come when we're trying to solve these autoimmune diseases. So, what type of roadblocks are there when we're looking for the cure?
Well, in reality, there are many roadblocks. When I went out to the cancer companies who were already using data and digital tools and asked them, they gave me a long list of reasons no, and why they couldn't be working in autoimmune disease. But I decided to turn that into why not?
Yeah.
And that's why I'm here today.
Amazing. Now, what could we learn from how cancer and how all of these rare diseases use big data and data sharing to solve their problems? How could we apply that to these autoimmune diseases?
That is the question of my talk. What can we do to apply what we're learning in rare disease and cancer to autoimmune? And my research shows that there are reasons to be optimistic for 4 examples. One is autoimmunity clinics that they're developing in Israel, where they have a center of autoimmunity and GI docs, rheumatologists work in concert on behalf of the patient. Another option is like the C3N Cincinnati Children's Project that has an amazing platform of tools that enables collaboration and sharing, And another one would be to go one step further, like at the Cleveland Clinic, and mix integrative and functional medicine and bring the best of Eastern and Western traditions to autoimmune patients.
Wow. Now, what is the most exciting thing that is happening in this space right now? We've heard a lot about cures and about sharing data, but what's the most exciting thing?
The most exciting thing probably is what they're doing in Israel in terms of these autoimmunity clinics and looking at the underlying cause of the disease, trying to bring autoimmune disease to where cancer is today. No longer thinking about body part, but trying to think about underlying cause. And new understanding of microbiome research is helping to bring the relationship between the gut as an immune organ and the brain together to help autoimmune patients.
Wow. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us.
Pleasure. Thank you.
With The Scoop, I'm Jack Andreka.